Okay, hi everyone. Today we'll be going through a P6 heuristics fractions word problem. So, can you solve it? Pause the video to try and solve it on your own, then continue this video to see how I solve it. So we know that after Megan sold 75% of the lilies and 1/5 of the carnations, she had an equal number of lilies and carnations. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is to convert this percentage into a fraction. 75 over 100. Simplest form is 3/4. Right? Then we can start to draw the model. Denominator for the lilies is 4, while denominator for the carnations is 5. So I will draw the lilies one first. So very simply, like this, and then I will chop it into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the key word here to look at is equal number of lilies and carnations after selling. So she sold this tree. This tree was sold. Okay, and now we notice that for the carnations, 5 was the total minus 1. She has 4 units left, and these 4 units is equal to the 1 big unit of lilies here. So when we draw the model for carnations, it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and actually there's a 5 because total was 5, but this one got sold. Okay, so now what do we need to do is we need to convert the 3/4. Okay, now 1 unit needs to be 4 in order to match the carnations. Okay, so we need to multiply by 4, multiply by 4. This will give me 12/16. Okay, and this is how it will look like. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now that we have matched the equal number of lilies, now 4 units and 4 units for both carnations and lilies in the end. Then we can go ahead to solve part A. What was the ratio of the number of lilies to number of carnations? Lilies to carnations at first is 16:5. Just look at the denominator and the denominator. Okay? And that's how you get the answer for part A. Now, let's move on to part B. Number of lilies Megan had at first was more than 90. Okay, more than 90. Now, what was the smallest possible number of flowers Megan had at first? So this question, we are going to use common multiple or multiples of, okay, not common multiple, but multiples of 16. Why 16? Because lilies have 16 in the ratio. Okay, so we'll do multiple of 16. So 16, 32, 48. After this is 64. Okay, then we'll get 80 and 96. Okay, so now this is more than 90. How much did we multiply it by? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in order to get the number of flowers, right, I need to multiply the ratio by 6. So multiply by 6, multiply by 6. This will get me 96. 5 times 6 is 30. For part B, I just need to take 96 plus 30, 126. Okay, and that is how you get the answer. Okay, if this has helped you in any way, do remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.